You know what's funny I noticed with this,
Yummy.
you know what was funny about this thing? When I first got this mouse here, it seemed like every couple of weeks the batteries would be gone.
Yeah.
These seem to last a long time.
Glad we have that on video. That's Ooh.
Are you waving?
Hi. Say hi, Mama.
Yummies. Delicious times. Oh,